Hi subscribers, welcome back to Learn 2 Minutes Hindi. So today we're going to learn about the second part of the vowels. So yesterday we learned 6 letter and today we're going to learn 7 letter. So there is a little difference between the first half and the second half. First half you have all the letters into pair with small sound and larger sound. But today's letter, each and every letter will give you different sound. So listen little carefully so that you will learn the correct pronunciation. So first one is ru, a, I, o, au, aha. So ru, a, I. The only difference between is A and I is you have to put one slanting line at the top. Okay. And O, ow. You have to write the second letter, a. So if you write a letter, put one slanting line at the top, it will become O. And two lines, ow. And the last letters, and aha is the first letter a. You have to write a and put one dot at the top and two dots at the side. So it becomes and this become aha. Let's go to the next next session, like each letter with pitches. Ru, ru say rushi. A say ad. I say ainak. I'm wearing ainak. O say oakley. Aurat, I'm aurat. Ang say angur. My favorite is angur. For I'm not adding any picture because there is no any letter starting with sound. So that's why I didn't give you any pictures. But there are some words where there is comes at the second letter or third letter. So which we can learn later segment. Okay. So these are the 7 letters what we are practicing today. So practice once again along with me and put me in the comment box how was the session, whether it was helpful or what else you're looking forward to learn Hindi more easily. So repeat these letters along with me. Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Thank you.